good evening, all me jolly lads, I'm glad to find you well. You gather all around me now, a story I will tell. I've got a situation and begorra and begob, I can whisper I've the weekly wage of 19 bob. It's 12 months come October since I left me native land, after helping the Killarney boys to bring the harvest down. Now I wear a gansey and around me waist a belt, I'm the gaffer in the squad that makes the hot asphalt. We laid it in the hollows and we laid it in the flats, and if it doesn't last forever, well I swear I'll eat me hat. I wandered up and down the world and sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot asphalt. The other day a copper comes, he says to me, Maguire, would you kindly let me light me pipe down at your boiler fire? He banks himself right down the front with hobnails up till late, and says, I'm a decent man, you better go out and find your bait. He ups and yells, I'm down on you, I'm up to all your pranks. Don't I know you as a traitor from the Tipperary ranks? Boys, I hit straight from the shoulder, and I gave him such a belt that he fell into the boiler full of hot asphalt. We laid it in the hollows and we laid it in the flat, and if it doesn't last forever, well I swear I'll eat me hat. I wandered up and down the world and sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot asphalt. We quickly dragged him out again, we threw him in the tub. With soap and with warm water we began to rub and scrub. But till the thing it hardened and it turned him hard as stone, and with every other rub you could hear the copper groan. I'm thinking, says O'Reilly, that he's looking like Old Nick, and burn me if I'm not inclined to claim him with me pick. Says I, it would be easier to boil him till he melts, and to stir him nice and easy into the hot asphalt. We laid it in the hollows and we laid it in the flats, and if it doesn't last forever, well I swear I'll eat me hat. I wandered up and down the world and sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot asphalt. You may talk about your sailors, ballad singers and the rest, your shoemakers and your tailors, but we please the ladies best. The only ones who know the way their plenty hearts to melt are the lads around the boiler making hot asphalt. With throbbing and with scrubbing I caught me death of cold, and for scientific purposes me body it was sold. The Kelvin Grove Museum, me boys, I'm hanging in me belt as a monument to the Irish making hot asphalt. We laid it in the hollows and we laid it in the flats, and if it doesn't last forever, well I swear I'll eat me hat. I wandered up and down the world and sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot asphalt.